Hey, what's up Filipino? It's your boy Crazy Filipino. So welcome to my new video, and I know it's been a while. Like, actually, when was the last time I posted my video? So actually, it's been a month na siguro. The last time I posted my video on Facebook is kukunti lang yung mga views. Ewan ko kung bakit. Ganun ba talaga kabasura yung video ko, guys? Actually, tinatakot ko lang naman sarili ko eh. Like, ang alam niyo kung sino nakaka-benefit nun is kayo lang eh. Pagtatawanan niyo lang ako eh.
Mamatay ako doon.
So, it's okay, but guys, please naman, help me. Never mind the background noises, no? Like, this is not my house actually. Ano naman tayo, no? Para takutin yung sarili ko, syempre. So, I hope the game we played will give us heart at bagong horror game na naman. So, ano yun, babe? Ano yun? Wait lang. Eh, actually guys, ngayon ko palang nalaman, putik na yan. Wala pala akong jowa. You can play this on Play Store for free. Before I actually give you the name of the game, like, can you please put your number on the comment down below? So, I don't care if you're a boy or a girl, so I'm waiting. Do you think this is not alive? This is alive. Live to. Huh? No. I'm tweaking, bro. Here we go. For your information, guys, I skipped the intro. Mahaba, and then mabilis din yung yung conversation. So mahirapan kayo, guys, no? Like, let me explain what is happening and what is the reason why we ended up in this freaking room 817. That is the name of the game actually. I hope you are not offended, no? Like, I'm not underestimating your intellectual understanding. Ano ba yun? Ganun, yun ba yan? Na yung mga strange noises daw, sumisigaw or screeching, like ganun daw. Gusto niya daw pa-check. So I think we need to investigate. So let's see what we got here. So listed by brightness, medyo madilim eh actually. Okay, here we go. My goodness, why is so dark? Ang dilim. Hindi ko gaano makita eh. Damn. Volume this up. Damn. That will give us a heart attack. Para ma-police, and then now I'm trapped in here. So trapped na ako. In the first whoa, did you hear that? May kumakalog dito eh. Alan, I called the officer, but no, bullcrap. Like, andito na ako. I'm trapped already. Tapos ngayon ka pa magbibigay ng notice para sa akin. And they're just setting us up. Oh shoot, what the freak? What kind of noises was that? Ba't ang dilim? Ba't nasusi? We need 4 key. Hello? I am Mike. My name is Mike. Wow, may bear trap. Mike Enriquez.
Mga kapuso, uuwi na po ako.
I'm so sorry. Ayan, napakan ko. Napaka engot ko talaga, no? Wow, this place is perfect, guys. Perfect for bembangan. Ang dilim. I like it. Naririnig nyo is actually moaning, I think so. Oh my goodness. Room service ba to? Pinutulan na naman tayo ng kuryente ng Meralco. Investigating here. I'm just an investigator. Smooth investigator. Smooth investigator. We don't need police in here. Like, we need a paranormal expert, because this place is actually dark. Oh my goodness, why do I hear things? Why do I hearing things? Oh my goodness, may mga patay dito, oh. Patay na patay sa'yo. Mommy fight? What was that? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is that the monster that we are going to deal? Oh, anong klaseng halimaw yan? Ang haba! Oh my goodness! I don't wanna play this game anymore. I think I don't wanna play this game anymore. Goodness! Oh, yun yung halimaw nakakalaba. No, there's no way we can outrun that monster, guys. And over like 10 foot. He's 10 foot. Buisit. Ba't nakasarado na to? What the freak is going on? Kala mo kalabaw yung maharurot papunta sa'yo eh. My dude is almost like Victor Wembanyama with a partner right now. Partner in crime.
Huh?
Pinakamagaling na paranormalist sa buong Pilipinas, dude. Dude, ilang beses na siya lumabas sa TV, sa Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho. Like, you know what? Alam niyo kung sino siya, diba? His name is Ed Calwag.
Anong pakiramdam?
Investigador parang hindi normalist. My goodness, we are actually perfect duo.
Kung dalawa man kayo, baka puro sigaw lang yung gagawin ninyo.
Yung malaking halimaw, yung kalansay, alam mo kung pumunta siya sa akin, parang niyang ipoposteres ako eh. Kulang na lang yung karakter ko idadakdak sa ring eh. They just setting everything up so that may mapakain sila sa demonyo na to eh. This place is cursed actually. Get out there while you can. Yes, good advice. Napakagandang advice. I like it. May tumatakbo sa ibabaw ng kisame. Sa loob ng kisame. Ano yun? Ano ba nagbebembangan yung mga tao dito eh? Can you please actually calm down? Ito, may tumatakbo eh. Hoy, dahan-dahan. Damn, this place is actually dark. I'm sucking into, it's like sucking you in the darkness. Like, you can suck me too. Lever? The door is shut. I don't know where to go. Like, I don't have any idea. Wala akong idea. Oh my goodness. Where is he? Oh my goodness. Need to run. Run. Oh my goodness. Pinalo ako sa puwet. Open the door.
Sakit.
The room 817 is cursed. The devil worship. May nagde-devil worship ba dito? Di ko alam kung paano i-outrun yung kalaban eh. Like, we can sprint pero actually is way more faster than us, man. When you hear screaming, you need to run. We need to deactivate this. What is this? Oh, can do that. We can crouch immediately. Oh shoot, automatic crouch. Ang galing. Don't tell me may jump scare dito eh. I think alam ko na. Oh shoot, dandahan muna tayo. Jump scare is everywhere. Hanggang saan ba to? Patang lalim nito. Why is this so deep? Ang deep. Dag mo pa yung na di. Ang dilim. We know what to do. Actually, we know what to do. Nakakaano. Bear traps deactivated. Meron pa? Oh my goodness, ang daming bear trap. Actually, may susi. May nagano sa susi. Dude, ba't ako bumalik dito? Ang galing. May nagdadabog. Ewan ko kung sino nagdadabog nowadays. I think we need to deactivate all the traps. So that... My goodness. Di ko alam kung kailan ako tatakbo eh. Oh no, I'm actually lost. What kind of maze is this game is? Oh, yeah. Yo, can I close the door? Every time he scream, I'm starting to panic. Look up, follow the blood. Look up, follow the blood. Okay, follow the blood, they said. Grabing regla yan.
Ko, yung pain, bago siya totally nawala.
Look up, follow the blood. And I died. Unfollow the blood, follow the regla. Grabing regla yun. Grabing dugo. Ba't umabot yung dugo sa itaas? Parang naposes. Parang siya napoposes habang nire-regla may dalaw. Oh my days. So, So. I'm not afraid anymore. I think. Where are you? Huh? Where is? Oh no. Let's run, guys. Let's run, guys. Let's run away, baby. The cop is following you. Actually, guys, if I died 10 times, I will actually end the game. The recording. May tumatakbo eh. Putik na bear trap yan eh. Yung trap dito. Tapos naloloko pa din sa trap. No, I'm not gonna go in there. Oh, yo. Test your balance. Oh my goodness, I can't do the balance like this. Oh shoot. Ay, uy, ito na naman to. Oh yeah. Alam ko na mag-balance, guys. I need Ed Kalwag, guys. I need Ed Kalwag.
Gusto ko sana siya lang eh.
Yung lugar parang maze. I don't know how to solve this game. Like nabobobo na ako. I think yung mga brain cells ko yung nawawala na. Let's go. Gusto ko to. I feel safe. I don't want to go outside. Dito na ako magpakamatay. Pakamatay. What the frick? Wala pa tayong susi nakikita eh. Like, don't tell me deactivate. Who actually set this bear trap? Like, what do you think of me? A bear? Don't be afraid here. Don't rush. Yeah, I know. I've been falling. Nahulog ako dito like 5 times. Is that 5 times? Is it? My eyebrows are so thick, guys. I don't know why my eyebrows so thick. Ano klaseng apartment to? Parang haunted house eh. Parang horror boot eh. Ano yan? Oh my Netherlands. What is this? Should I pick this? Ano po to? Human skull. The secret found. Yeah. Secret found. Actually, si Victor Wembanyama, parang si Victor Wembanyama eh. Sumasilent na sa horror boot. Sumasilent sa horror boot. Galing ni Victor Wembanyama. This place is actually a mess. Damn. May tao dito. Grandfather's clock. Ano to? Pagkain? Oh, who said there's an altar, dude? Altar? May altar pala dito. Wait na nga, wait. Ginawa akong waiter eh. Chum. Don't rush in here. Sabi ni kuya. Kasi man nagsabi nun.
Ay, tanga.
I don't wanna play anymore, guys. I don't wanna play anymore, guys. It's not giving me a heart attack. Stroke. You know that? Na-high blood na ako eh. Actually, every time I hear his voice groaning or screaming, damn, I'm starting to panic. Damn.